Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change server for Dynasty Legends 2. So in order to do this, we'll need to turn off our game first, so let's shut it down for now. Simply like that. Now let's open our game again. Close this notification. And I noticed sometimes this game crashes on startup, so if it crashes, simply open it again. So now let's click on the switch icon, but I think the game just crashed. So let's try restarting it. And here we are again, now it's working. Let's click on the switch icon. And from here you'll be able to see your character, so you can, if you change server, want to go back, you can see which server your old character is in, and here you can choose the recommended server, pick whichever you want, or just choose from any available. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.